Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto trading on Bybit and wondering how to get your earnings into your bank account, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the step-by-step process for 2025, making it super easy and straightforward. Whether you're cashing out for everyday expenses or investing elsewhere, this guide will help you do it quickly and securely. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Bybit account. If you haven't already, go ahead and verify your identity. It's a crucial step for security, especially with the updated regulations in 2025. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet or Funds section. This is where all your crypto and fiat balances are managed. Next, look for the Withdrawal option. Bybit has streamlined this for 2025, so it should be right there on the dashboard. Select Fiat Withdrawal and choose your bank transfer method. You'll need to enter your bank details carefully, double-check everything to avoid any delays. Bybit supports various banks, so pick the one that matches your account. Now, specify the amount you want to withdraw. Keep an eye on any fees. In 2025, Bybit has reduced transaction fees for frequent users, but they still apply based on your withdrawal size. After entering the amount, you'll get a confirmation screen. Review it thoroughly, then hit Confirm. Bybit will process your request, which usually takes 1 to 3 business days depending on your location and bank. One important tip: always enable two-factor authentication to protect your funds. Also, check for any KYC updates required in 2025 for smoother withdrawals. Once your transfer is approved, you'll see the funds in your bank account. Easy as that. There you have it, folks. Transferring money from Bybit to your bank in 2025 is a breeze with these steps. If you run into any issues, Bybit's support is top-notch. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks. See you in the next video.